Consultants. When you might need them and why. Selecting competent expert witnesses. The divorce attorney in a high asset value divorce is often like a band leader. He has to select the type of musicians and direct them on how their instruments should be played. Obviously, there is a need to select expert witnesses who are competent, but it is the role of the attorney to guide and assist the experts in understanding their role in the divorce. Having an expert render opinions on complex issues such as the value of separate property or profits on that separate property is useless unless the attorney gives the expert the law which needs to be examined. The attorney then needs to work with the expert to formulate the best possible presentation of the facts and the expert's opinion. The attorney will assist the expert in obtaining the information, analyzing it, supplying the law which the expert must use, and then working with the expert to obtain the best opinion to support your claims. The attorney must also have extensive business, real estate, and financial knowledge to examine any opinions from the other side's expert. Sometimes the parties will use a joint expert to act as a neutral to determine the value of an asset. Be very careful before you agree to this. With high-value assets, two appraisers will often arrive at different opinions of value. Therefore, use a neutral appraisal should be carefully examined. Many times, it is better to have one party do their own appraisal and then have the other party retain the services of a review appraiser to examine the opinion of value of the first appraisal. By doing so, any errors in the original appraisal will be disclosed. The cost of the review appraiser is often well worth the cost in high asset situations. Small errors in the reports multiplied by the high value of the assets being examined can result in large dollar losses. If your attorney has experience in business, real estate, patent law, and finance, he will be able to give experts exactly what they need to render the opinion most in your favor. Robert Hajek has over 30 years of business, real estate, patent rights, and divorce experience. Robert has a comprehensive understanding of the rights of business owners, partners, and shareholders. He routinely drafts buy-sell agreements. Your average divorce lawyer simply doesn't have this kind of experience. What's more, Robert has handled litigation among shareholders, partners, and members of limited liability companies to resolve various ownerships and control disputes. Negotiating the end of a marriage for high net worth individuals requires the same sharp business skills. Robert has worked closely with business and real estate appraisers. Because of this, he has an unmatched ability to understand and interpret financial records, balance sheets, and appraisals. What's more, in his litigation practice, he consults closely with real estate and business appraisers to prepare them to testify at trials. As a result, his skills have been sharpened through 30 years of legal battles. This allows him to quickly understand the most complex real estate and business valuation issues. Watch out for our other videos in this series. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact Robert Hajek, or visit his website for more information and to download the companion ebook to this video series. Thank you.